Imagine this. You wake up one day, and everything is different. Your plans fall apart. People let you down. Life feels unfair. Nothing is going right. When everything seems to be falling apart, it can feel overwhelming, like there's no way out. Life throws unexpected challenges, failed plans, losses, setbacks, but there's hope even in the most challenging moments. You might feel lost. You might feel alone. But here's something important: you are not alone. And you have more strength than you realize. The truth is, everyone faces moments like this. You are part of a larger community of resilience. But what do you do when your whole world feels broken? If this video helps you, push the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's talk about life, struggles, and how we can keep moving forward, no matter how hard it gets. 1. Why do bad things happen? First, let's talk about why life feels so hard sometimes. Plans fail. People disappoint you. Unexpected problems show up. And suddenly, everything feels like it's falling apart. But here's the thing: hard times aren't punishment. They're part of life's journey. Every person, no matter how happy they seem, faces struggles. Even the strongest people you know, athletes, leaders, artists, they've all failed before they succeeded. Challenges aren't the end. They're the beginning of something new. They're the catalyst for growth and transformation. 2. The emotional roller coaster. Here's what happens and how to navigate through it. When everything goes wrong, emotions take over. You might feel frustration, sadness, or even numbness. It's natural. Acknowledge your feelings instead of suppressing them. Try journaling, talking to a friend, or practicing mindfulness to help manage your emotions. You might feel sadness, nothing makes sense. You feel defeated. Frustration. Why is this happening to me? Numbness. You stop caring about things you once loved. It's okay to feel these emotions. But you don't have to stay in them forever. Hard times teach you who you are. They show you your strength. And even when everything feels impossible, you are still here. You are still fighting. You are resilient, and you have the power to overcome. 3. How to get through the storm. Life won't always be easy. But there are ways to push through. Take one step at a time. You don't have to fix everything today. Focus on one small thing: getting up, eating, texting a friend. Perspective shift. When things go wrong, they force reflection. Sometimes, setbacks push us towards something better that we wouldn't have explored otherwise. Ask yourself, Why is this happening to me? And what can I learn? Lean on support. Talk to someone, a friend, a therapist, a community. You don't have to do this alone. Growth and resilience. Every struggle is a lesson. Every broken piece can be rebuilt. Struggles build strength. You're learning how to push through even when you feel like giving up. Redefining priorities. Hard times make you reconsider what truly matters. You might find new goals, relationships, or perspectives that improve your path. Hope and rebuilding. Nothing stays the same forever. Every storm passes, and you will rebuild stronger than before. One step at a time, one day at a time. Every difficult chapter is shaping a stronger version of you. You might feel lost right now. But one day, you'll look back and realize, you made it through. 4. The future is still waiting for you. If you feel overwhelmed right now, know that you're not alone. Sometimes, even a small change, talking to a friend, taking a break, or shifting your mindset, can help guide you forward. There is hope. Even when life feels like it's over, it's not. You are growing, you are learning, and you are stronger than yesterday. If you're going through a tough time right now, remember, you will get through this. One day, things will change. Keep going. If this message helped you, leave a comment below. Tell me, what's one thing you do to stay strong? And don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting videos. You're not alone, we're in this together.